Hey, what's up, guys? So I got this case 310. Wouldn't start. Customers having trouble with it. Had all these codes here, injectors, open circuit, and still got a couple other codes too. But main issue why it wouldn't start is down here. This is your wiring harness that supplies your injectors. It goes into this little plastic case, and then all these spaghetti lines come out and go to your individual injectors. Now, track down that connector not being plugged in all the way, and got it now where she'll fire it up. So I'm gonna fix the water separator code and we'll be done.